Hello everyone and a very warm welcome back to the Quality Analyst. If you are learning manual testing, working in a real project or preparing for interviews, today's topic is something that happens in almost every real software project but is rarely explained properly. Today we are going to understand bug triage meeting. Now listen carefully. Many beginners think testing is only about writing test cases and logging bugs. But in real projects, a very important question is which bugs should be fixed first? Which bugs can wait? Which bugs are valid, invalid, or duplicates? All these decisions happen inside one important meeting, nothing but a bug triage meeting. So today I will explain this concept slowly, clearly, and with real project examples. So let us first understand the meaning. A bug triage meeting is a formal discussion where the team reviews all the reported defects and decides whether the bug is valid or not, what severity and priority it should have, who should fix it, when it should be fixed. The word triage actually comes from medical science, where doctors decide which patient needs an immediate treatment. In the same way, in software testing, bug triage is about deciding which defects need immediate attention and which one can be handled later. Now, a very important question: why do we even need a bug triage meeting? So, imagine a project where hundreds of bugs are reported, all bugs are marked as high priority. Developers don't know what to fix first. So, this creates a confusion, delays, and frustration. So the bug triage is required to control defect backlog, avoid unnecessary work, focus on business critical issues, and ensure smooth releases. So without bug triage, even a good testing team can fail. So when is bug triage conducted? So bug triage meetings are usually conducted at regular intervals like once or twice a week before a release, after a major testing cycle, when the defect count becomes high. So in Agile project, bug triage may happen every sprint or even daily in some teams. The frequency depends on project size and criticality. So now let us talk about who participates in a bug triage meeting. So typically the following people, mostly like project manager or scrum master, uh, the development lead, test lead or QA lead, sometimes business analyst or product owner. So each role has a responsibility. Testers basically explains the defect, developers assess technical effort, managers decide timelines, and the product owners decide the business priority. So bug triage is a collaborative decision making process. So now let us talk about the how a bug triage meeting actually happens. First, the list of open defects is prepared. Then each bug is discussed one by one. For every defect, the team checks: is the bug valid? Is it reproducible? Is it a duplicate? Is it a expected behavior? What is the impact? So based on this discussion, decisions are made. So this is not an argument, it is a professional discussion based on the facts. So in the bug triage meeting, several important decisions are taken. A defect can be accepted and assigned. It can be rejected as invalid. It can be marked as duplicate if it found as a duplicate defect. It can be deferred to a future release. If it has low priority, then definitely it can be deferred. It can be marked as won't fix. Okay, so each decision has a reason. For example, a cosmetic issue in a nearly released product may be deferred, not because it is wrong, but because the business timelines are tight. Okay, so severity versus priority. So one of the most important discussion in bug triage is severity versus priority. So severity explains how badly the application is affected. Priority explains how urgently the bug should be fixed. So for example, a spelling mistake on the home page. So severity is low. Priority may still be high if it is customer facing. Let's say, for example, if the like logo spelling, there is a spelling mistake in the logo, then definitely the priority it will be high because it is customer facing. So bug triage helps balance technical impact and the business importance. So let me give you one real-time example. Suppose a tester reports login page alignment issue on the mobile view. So during triage, tester explains the issue. Developer says functionality is not affected. Product owner says mobile users are only 5%. So the decision can be made as severity is low, priority is low because as per product owner, only 5% are the mobile users, right? So that's why the severity is low, priority is low. The action can be fixed if time permits or else defer. So this is how real decisions are made calmly and logically. So now, as a tester, your role in a bug triage is very important. So you must clearly explain the issue, provide an evidence like screenshots, logs, recordings, or in fact, you can give some demo. Okay, avoid emotional arguments, accept decisions professionally, and remember, bug triage is not about winning an argument. It is about making the right decision for the product. So some common mistakes teams make during bug triage are like marking all the bugs as high priority, rejecting bugs without proper discussion, not documenting triage decisions, turning meetings into arguments. So a mature team uses bug triage as a planning and a quality improvement tool. So now a bug triage plays a key role in release decisions. It helps in decide release date readiness, reduce production issues, balance quality and timelines. So a well conducted bug triage meeting directly improves the software quality. So to summarize, a bug triage is where testing meets business reality. If you understand bug triage, you will communicate better in projects, handle developers confidently, perform well in interviews, grow faster as a tester. So if this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to the Quality Analyst. We don't just explain testing terms, we explain how testing really works in real projects. See you in the next video. Until then, happy testing and keep learning.